Spellcasting not what it used to be? Maybe it's that weak, effeminate grip you have on your wand. Is your thin, high voice betraying your lack of brawn? And I'm afraid that expensive suit and those gym-bought biceps aren't fooling anyone. Teenagers are poning you. What are you, old? Don't chuck a tanty. The solution's as plain as the nose on your... Sorry. Dude, get some tood, get some wizzo! Just rub a few drops into your scalp and you'll be casting spells like a boss. Wizzo! The all-purpose product for all witches and wizards. Not suitable for squibs.